Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Angie. If you are new here, welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I wanted to come here and talk about the fourth hair growth tip and probably the final hair growth tip. It has to deal with regularly trimming your hair and cutting away dead ends and split ends and not holding on to those hair strands. If you're at all interested in hearing about how to cut your hair and when to cut your hair, keep watching to hear about what I normally do when it comes to cutting and trimming away those dead ends. And as always, thanks for stopping by. Today, I wanted to talk about the next hair tip, and that has to do with doing regular trims and cuts. I am definitely not going to lie and pretend like I've been regularly trimming or cutting my hair when needed. So when I first went natural, I was always adamant about doing every 3 months or even every 4 months, making sure I got my hair straight and I trimmed it. I haven't trimmed my hair since that last video. I will link it, where my sister did it, I think in December, so that's about 7 months ago since my last 6 months ago. Shit, I can't do math. So it's been that long, and I feel like my hair is splitting, it's looking see-through, and I'm definitely in need of a trim. Anyhow, I think it's time for a trim. I'm hoping my sister comes home and she's not too shy about taking 3 inches off. Okay, people, so let's do the math. What does 3 inches look like? Or more? I feel like some people claim, oh yeah, this is about 2 inches, and they have no clue. So here we go. This is 3 inches. So if we were to just stretch this out, we're not measuring my hair, but we're measuring 3 inches. So if we go towards like the bottom, come up here. So there's 3 inches, and I think that's definitely necessary, because like I said, I feel like my hair is splitting and it's causing breakage, and I just really want to change that. And since I do have the measuring tape out, put that up there. If we were to take this on the root, if I can do this and pull, all right, so, ow, so, oops. So I'd say that's about 12, oh shit, this thing is stuck. It's about 12, 13 inches, which is what I've seen. I've had longer pieces that's at 14 inches. So cutting 3 inches would bring me to about 10, maybe 11 inches. And I'm all right with that. I'll be back when the cutting happens. Okay, this is what I wanted to bring to your attention. You have to regularly trim your hair. I know some people are like, I never put scissors to my hair. I'm just letting it grow. But if you have split ends or knots, it's just going to continue splitting and take all the hair with it. So if you don't want to lose all of your hair, you will regularly trim, which is what I intend on going back to doing. Regularly trimming every 3 months, so 4 times a year or maybe 3 times a year, and just getting your hair healthy again. And yeah, so that's it. This is what it's looking like. This is the before. I will come back and show you the after. Like, look at this. Like, what am I holding on to this for? Look at it. It's crazy. It's crazy. Like, seriously. Here's the back. Oops. And that's it. All right, so here my sister is starting the trim. She's being really shy about it. We had a little laugh that she barely cut anything. And finally, I convinced her to cut a lot more hair. She said, quote unquote, she didn't want to mutilate me and give me a haircut. But I knew that I was in need of this because I waited 6 months in between trims, and that's a terribly long time to wait to trim your hair. So I would definitely recommend doing it more often. It's going to pay off in the long run. I Like I mentioned before, I used to cut every 3 months, and I saw the most hair growth when I was regularly trimming my hair. So definitely don't hold on to those dead ends because it will only come back to bite you in the butt. So cut them, get rid of them. You do not need those ends in your life. Just like that terrible ex-boyfriend of yours that you just want to finally get rid of. Those are what dead ends are to me. Okay, so my sister finished with me. This is the final results. Um, yeah, this is what the back looks like. I am going to go wash it, and hopefully the hair will look a lot better. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Comment down below. Like, what are you waiting for? Comment. And as always, thanks to the old subscribers and the new subscribers. And I'll see you next time.